Hello and welcome to the QA Underground. Today's video is part 2 of a multi-part series that will go over how to create a Selenium page object model using Maven and Testng. If you are not already subscribed to our channel but enjoy the content, I'd encourage you to hit the subscribe button down below, as we upload lots of testing related videos each week on a wide range of topics, from integrating AI into testing to setting up automation frameworks in multiple languages. With that out of the way, let's get into what we'll be covering in today's video. In our previous video, we covered how to create the new Maven project, add the required dependencies, and create the base classes. In today's video, we are going to create the page class and create the example test class, then create the testng.xml file that will call the example test class, and finally run and verify the test works. So to start, we need to create our page class. So we're going to go over here to the page class package. We're going to right click, click new, Java class. We're going to call this homepage. At the top, we're going to add our imports. So we'll do import framework.base test. Then we'll do import org.openqa.selenium.by. We're going to actually extend this to base test. And inside that block, we're actually going to define our web elements at the top. So we'll do by search field equals by.name. And then inside there, we'll pass q. Then we'll write our method. So we'll do public void. We'll call it enter search text. And we want to pass in a string called search term, so we know what to pass the method. Inside that block, we'll start with enter text by, search field, and search term. So we're going to pass in our element and our search term. Then we will need to return our key, so we'll do the enter return key and pass in our web element. That's all we need for our page class. Next, we're going to create our test. So we'll go to test, right-click test, click new Java class. We'll call this one example test. At the top, we'll do our imports. So we'll import framework.base class. And then we'll do import org.testng.annotations star. Then import PageObjects.homepage. And we'll want to extend this to the base class. And we'll start with our annotations at the top. So we'll do @test. Then underneath we'll do our test method. So we'll public void test underscore search page. I'll start by creating an instance of our homepage. So I'll do homepage equals new homepage. Then I'll create a try block. Inside that try block, I'll do homepage.enter search text, and then I'll pass in the search term that I want. So we'll do QA underground GPT-3. I'll add a catch to our try. So I'll do catch, exception, E. Inside here, we'll just simply do a system.out.print, and then print out our exception. Now we need to create our testng.xml file. So we'll go into resources, create new file, call it testng.xml. At the top, we'll put in our encoding information. I'm going to use UTF-8. Next, we'll enter our doc type. Right underneath doc type, we'll add a suite. We'll name it example suite. Inside that suite, we will add a test, and we'll name that one example test. And then inside that test, we will add the classes that we want to run. So we'll do classes, and then we'll create a class, and we'll call out the class name that we want to run. So we'll do test.exampleTest because that's the one we just created. And then we simply have to just save this. We'll add a configuration for that. So we'll click Add Configuration, plus button, Testng, point it to the suite, and then hit Apply. And now we can run our testng.xml. So as you can see, it will open up the browser, and it searched QA Underground GPT-3, hit return on google.com, and that was the end. And that will conclude part 2 of our series. Today we created our page class, created an example test class that uses our page class, and then created a testng.xml file that uses our example class. If you are not already subscribed to our channel but enjoy the content, I'd encourage you to hit the subscribe button down below, as we upload lots of testing related videos each week on a wide range of topics, from integrating AI into testing to setting up automation frameworks in multiple languages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.